YouTube, what it do, baby? We back for another episode of the Monte Carlo SS build series. Right now, I'm on my way to Superior Performance, and we just gonna check on the motor, man, just to see where they at. He told me that they already broke it down, and I had kind of a break in my day. So we gonna head up there and see just what the condition of the motor is because I mean, truth be told, I don't think my motor was in terribly bad condition. I just got to figure out why the fuck it was leaking. And also, truth be told, I really didn't want to do no whole rebuild. I just wanted to figure out, like, if I could clean that block out and fix whatever leak was happening. So yeah, y'all come with me, man. Subscribe to the channel, man. I'm bringing y'all all this fire ass content, spending my money on this project for y'all entertainment and for my gratification. Because when I finish with this bitch and this rebuild, I'm putting belt to ass. Mark my words, man. But anyway, y'all stay tuned. All right, so the motor is broken down. We got cam, head gaskets, flywheel, valley cover, pistons out. This is what the pistons look like. Oil pan. I don't know which gasket that is. Oil pan gasket, probably. So the block is in the machine already, and it's already been bored over. Wrong head gasket? So we'll have to get new head gaskets.
Well, I was going to anyway.
Yep. I got you.
See how we got water ports?
Yeah. That might have been why it's leaking, huh?
And there's no place for the water
For the
port
water
to
to
go.
go, yeah.
So it probably just
Was leaking out the sides.
Yeah. Because see, that one only got that one hole and there's not one there.
Yeah.
So that's a possibility.
Okay. That's a good catch then. What was done to the heads? It looks like they were like sandblasted or something.
Yeah, we do.
Sandblasting them?
Yeah.
Okay.
Well, it's not sand, it's a glass bead. And
Okay.
then we mill them, they'll be milled down. I mean, like I said, they'll be like brand new when we get done with them.
I got you.
We'll
And
put new
is this
freeze
the
plugs
yeah,
and
freeze
everything.
plugs, yeah, okay. And there's a difference between these and the brass ones, right?
Yeah.
Is it all the same?
Well, I mean, it's just, brass ones will like last forever.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay, got you.
But as long as you put, like in race cars, we don't use antifreeze.
Oh, see, I'll be using antifreeze though, because that was the problem on this one.
This is, which is fine. These are fine, but like the purpose in a brass is we don't use antifreeze.
Oh, so it doesn't
these are
rust. I got it.
Yeah.
And are there freeze plugs on that 5.3 block or no?
There's plugs. No, there's not. It's like instead of a freeze plug kit, it just comes with like a plug kit.
Okay, that thing. But that thing wouldn't be leaking though, right?
No.
Okay. So we got pretty far then.
J King and the bitch in the strictly business. I'm a property owner, ain't been a tenant. Got racks on me like I'm playing tennis. Dropped a couple off when I went to the dentist. Invisalign, straight on these hoes. Flooded my whole bottom row. My diamond look 3D, a whole lot of VVVVs on me. This shit out of control.